Guys, Scarlett at Build Across here, and today I'm going to show you how I paint the soccer ball attachment for the Gnome attachment kit. First, I'm going to go in with my Dixie Belle paint and the color cotton and paint my soccer ball here. And then I'm going to go in with the color putty and paint his hands. This attachment set, the paint, the brushes, and the Sharpie brushstroke marker that I use can all be found on our website, buildacross.com. Make sure to comment below if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Once this dries, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and outline everything. And since this attachment is so small, I will also be able to go in and fill in my different spots that need to be black. I'm just going to do that with my Sharpie brushstroke marker. Of course, you could go in with paint if you'd prefer. And then once that's done, I'll go in with a number 4 round in the color Savannah Mist. And I'm just going to highlight around my soccer ball. And after that, I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.